here, Captain Malone. I'm here maybe Mr. Malone from now on. Look, I'm trying about your fucking career, man. Here. Here's some drugs. You snort it and get out here and start a new life somewhere. Here, how's nice. Thank you. Just hop on train to Alabama, jump on a boat, but avoid Germany. Where? Forget about it. Okay, the dumbass bitch. Gordon Freeman, I was the science team. Anyways, what are you doing here? Well, I'm on my way down to Mexico. They're sending me on to World War III. Thinking Jork is very jealous. What's wrong, you broke-ass bitch? I'm homophobic, sister. Okay. Yeah, I got homophobia. Got it. Beating a man's cheeks to death for $20.